Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're new here and you have not subscribed, man, you're missing it. So you want to click on that subscribe button and also click on the bell and click like, because you need to like this video. You need to like. Telling you top 5 affiliate system that you can do in Nigeria and will bring you tons of money. Now, number 1 is Jumia affiliate, and it's very simple to sign up on Jumia affiliate system. All you just need to do is go to jumia.com.ng. There you will see the link where you will click the affiliate and you will register and start promoting the link, and everybody buys from that. Through your link you get money. Also, you want to do 𝐒𝐔𝐄𝐆 affiliate system. Wow, this is fantastic. I'm also doing it, and all you just need to do is go to 𝐒𝐔𝐄𝐆.com, and on the top of it you will see that affiliate system. You can do that as number 2. Then number 3, you want to do the one I like best, man. This is Fiverr affiliate system. Let's promote 2 things on Fiverr. If you promote 3D animation, or you promote graphics design, designers, you make more money with Fiverr affiliate. So you want to go to fiverr.com and start promoting and register. It's free to register. That's number 3. Then number 4 is JV Marketplace. It's a Nigerian owned website, and they have a fantastic affiliate system that you also can sign up with the affiliate system and start making money. And the last one that I know, this is a wonderful one, and this is Become Rich Africa affiliate system. Well, this Become Rich Africa affiliate system will give you to 1,000 naira per product you promote per course, because it's a course website. Once you get there, you click on the affiliate system and you start promoting the affiliate system. Anybody that sign up through your affiliate link, you get 1,000 naira. Imagine, if you tell 20 people, you get 20,000. You tell 50 people, for a day you get 50,000. It's what you need to do. And if you're new on this channel, like I said earlier, you want to click on that subscribe button and make sure you destroy that the bell, and also give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So if you like the kind of video I'm making, you want to share this video. And thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate your time. Bye bye.